The empowered PC Continuum Micro is engineered for elite gamers and content creators alike. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This compact yet stunningly powerful desktop is equipped with the latest Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, featuring 24 cores and 32 threads, with speeds boosting up to 6.0 GHz. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, streaming, or running demanding creative applications, this CPU handles it all with ease. One of the standout features of this PC is its graphics performance. Packed with the cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU with 16 GB of ultra-fast GDDR5 memory, you're guaranteed smooth frame rates, realistic ray tracing, and incredible performance across modern AAA titles and VR environments. Accompanying this power is 64 GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz, ensuring multitasking remains seamless, even when juggling intense workloads or multiple browser tabs while gaming. Storage won't be a concern either. With a 2 TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times and file access, up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This means less time waiting and more time doing what you love. The system also runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to the latest features and enhanced security right out of the box. Visually, the Continuum Micro stands out with its Infinity Mirror front panel and a glass side panel door, enhanced by customizable RGB lighting. It's not just powerful, it looks incredible on your desk. The included RGB backlit keyboard and LED mouse add even more style and convenience. And with Wi-Fi 6 support, your online gameplay and streaming will stay smooth and lag-free. Assembled and stress-tested in the USA, Empowered PC includes a 3-year limited hardware warranty and lifetime technical support for peace of mind. If you're a gamer, streamer, or creator looking for a compact yet beastly machine, the Continuum Micro is built to exceed expectations. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.